You're watching DD India NewsHour. I'm Ramesh Ramachandran. Let me now get you weather updates from around the world. Heavy rains across Kenya have killed at least 76 people and displaced thousands. Residents of the region were still coming to terms after a truck loaded of people was swept away by raging floodwaters of Kwa Musti River. So far, 11 survivors were pulled out from the river while 7 bodies have been recovered downstream. Search for more bodies continues. Calling the situation grim, the country's weather authorities warned of more heavy rains for the coming week and issued flood alerts. So relentless rainfall accompanied by severe storms and above average rainfall characterize Kenya's rainy season, which spans the months of March, April and May. Could it be another example of climate-induced extreme weather pattern? Let's find out from Isaac Lukando, who joins us from Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. Isaac, how is Tanzania coping with the situation?
Well, this is the second day that Dar es Salaam and Tanzanians have breathed a sigh of relief. There has been rainfall in the last 2 days. It's sunny, as you can see, and that is helping the government to sort of regroup. There have been meetings amongst government officials at different levels to try ascertain the level of damage that has been sustained by the country following the floods. The government said earlier on that it had set aside some $53 million to rebuild some of the infrastructure that has been damaged because of the floods, but he said that it was still doing an assessment to see just how much damage has been sustained. Right now, the effort is obviously going to be going towards helping the 200,000 people that have been affected by the rains, 10,000 homes destroyed, and so most of the aid will be going towards helping these people get back on their feet.
Also, Isaac, what's the situation, the latest on the flood situation in neighboring Kenya?
Well, we've heard from government sources, the government spokesperson there saying that the number of dead, those who have died because of the flooding there has increased. It's now reached 83 from 70, a number of 13 people dying in the last 24 hours. And this obviously has put a damper on rescue efforts. There was a lot going on in different parts of the country. Some places that are not passable, and so the government is calling on Kenyans to be vigilant, to be careful, to get out of low-lying areas, to get to safety in order to reduce the loss of lives. It has already issued around $29 million in terms of aid to help those that have been affected by the rains, but unfortunately there is still more rain that is forecast. This weekend there was some rain that was forecast. There'll be about a couple of days between Monday and Tuesday that could see a bit of a breather before the government issues another weather alert in the coming days. There's more rain expected, and so the number of dead people that we've seen and the number of displaced, which now reaches 130,000 people displaced in Kenya, could very well rise.
Isaac, thank you. Isaac Lukando there reporting from Dar es Salaam in Tanzania.